Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your magnifying glass for your 3D navigation. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the tutorial here. So now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the 3D navigation. Like I mentioned before, it can be quite a tricky thing if you've never operated 3D space before. But we've already looked at home. Now we're going to be looking at the magnifying glass. So let me zoom in here for you guys so you can have a better look. So it's the little ring with an eye. Now, you might mistake this for a form of zoom, which it's not really. So let me quickly explain. So you've got a normal zoom you can do, and this is for if you want to work up close and in finer detail. But if you want to actually inspect your work, then you want to use a magnifying glass. So once we click this, you'll see we can no longer go into some form of work mode. Now we're in an inspection mode. So this is great to make sure everything is fine before you process the job. So and you'll also find that going out of it is not as simple as clicking, right clicking, escaping. You actually have to go click on the button again, then it will move you out of it. So it's a bit of a trick getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's quite normal. But yeah, so just a quick recap again. So we have the magnifying glass, and like I mentioned, this is not actually for working up close. This is for inspection. So zooming is a whole other thing in and of itself. But yeah, so that is it on the magnifying glass. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and until next one, cheers.